Good morning, this is Steve with Home Standards. This is what I saw today. We will often talk about electrical panels inside of a bathroom. Now, in new construction, you cannot allow an electrical panel in a bath area like this was obviously set up in this particular new construction. Now, if this house was 80 years old and they had put the electrical panel next to a toilet that had been plumbed that way, we consider that grandfathered, but we still alert people to that, just so they're aware of that. Now, this particular situation, you can see what's happened here. We have the electrical panel there. Well, what they're having to do is put in a new electrical panel, and they're running all the wires up here to make their connection to the old panel because it was improperly done to begin with.